Hi, welcome back guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a ombre on like a fan sign or whatever you want to use it on. So I'm going to be using IBISPAINT X and it's free. And so I'm just going to pick any kind of pen, it doesn't really matter. I'm going with blue first and I'm just drawing loads of different lines in all the different shades of blue that are quite close, so going down the spectrum so it's easy to blend them into each other. So I'm using on the brush setting, any kind of brush works, and then using the colour. And I'm just going through the rainbow, picking the colours I like. And once I finish doing that, I'm using the blur button. I'm just going to blur all the colours together, so this makes it easier to blend them together. And then I'm picking the smudge button and I'm smudging the colours together. And this kind of smudges them together to make them all one colour to create the ombre effect. So I'm just going to do that until all the colours have been like blurred together. And so I'm smudging them together and then I'll blur it a little bit and then I'll smudge it and then I'll blur it and I'll just continue with that until it looks like an ombre. So after that, I'm going to take the circular ruler and I'm just going to erase all the ink around the circular ruler until I've got a circle of ombre, and it looks really, really pretty and it's really good for making fan signs. If you want me to make a fan sign tutorial, then comment in the comment section below. I used to make fan signs loads, but I don't really anymore. But I'm sure I can figure out how to again if you guys want to. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Bye!